welcome to the ASTRO, and in this Python tutorial you will be learning about how to upload image in your Jupyter notebook cell. So from website and also from your laptop file. So let's do from website. Okay, so for doing that, just type here Python image and then go to image. Uh, then copy image, go to your notebook and go to the cell, mark it as a markdown, and then paste it, Control V, and run it. Okay, so you can see that your image has been uploaded in the Jupyter notebook cell. So similarly, you want to upload your image from your file. Okay, so for that, go to your cell, go to markdown, and then go to edit, then insert image, then choose file. Suppose you want to upload this image, open it, and okay, so you got your image here, run it, and now your image is uploaded. So this simple tutorial teaches you how to upload image from from the website or from your laptop file. So I hope you got the idea. Thank you.